Smart Nugget, and I'm playing Xbox 360 Dead Island. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway with some of my weapons. I just need to get back to Jen. I beat the game recently. I'm gonna give away all these weapons. Okay. All of them have unlimited ammo. Not much ammo there. I'll show you the most gun I have ammo on. Yeah, this one. Just get it out. Bruh. Get out my inventory. Okay. That one is. Bruh! Let me shoot it. It's the most I have. Every gun. You can reload as much times as you want, actually. So if you want to play with me, my gamer tag will be in the description below. Well, I could just show you it right now. If you are impatient. Let's go to my parties. Pause the video right here to type in all this. My Xbox 360, also Xbox One if you have that. You can play Advanced Warfare. So, pause the video here if you want to see that. Seconds. Okay. And I'll show you a test of one of my weapons by today. Today is... okay. Actually, no, not today. I'll do it tomorrow. Xbox 360. These are all the games I have. Such a mess. It's my foot. It's a good foot. Here. That's all the games I have. Such a mess. I know. Don't mind that. My dog's chewed up my gallon. Water. My Xbox. Okay. That's it for the video today, guys. So remember to friend me so I can give you some weapons. Nugget out. Bye.